Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove template in CapCut. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk through the simple process of removing a template from a project in CapCut. If you've opened a project and realized there's a template element you no longer want, this is a straightforward way to clear it out so you can continue editing with more control. To begin, open the CapCut app on your device. Once the app launches, give it a moment to fully load so you can access your projects without any delay. If you have several projects saved, take a second to make sure you're selecting the correct one before making any changes. Next, open the sample project that contains the template you want to remove. This is the project where the template is currently being used on the timeline. When the project opens, you should be able to see all of your media and editing layers laid out in front of you. It helps to pause for a moment here and identify exactly which part of the project is the template, especially if your timeline contains several clips or effects. After that, click on the sample template directly on the timeline. This step is important because CapCut needs the template element to be selected before it can be removed. When you click it, you should see that it becomes highlighted or otherwise visually selected. If nothing appears to happen at first, try clicking again carefully to make sure you've selected the template itself and not another clip or track nearby. Once the template is selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will remove the selected template from the timeline. After deleting it, you should see the timeline update immediately. If there was content underneath or around the template, check the remaining clips to make sure everything still looks the way you expect. That's all it takes to remove a template in CapCut. As a quick tip, before deleting anything from a project, it can be helpful to confirm you've selected the correct timeline item, since deleting the wrong element may affect your edit. If needed, you can also review the timeline right after removing the template to make sure the project flows smoothly. With the template removed, you're now ready to continue customizing your project however you like in CapCut.